Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is April the 4th, 2019, and I wanted to show you our snowdrops here are blooming. Get you a close-up of the flowers here. Now, this is one of the earliest blooming bulbs. It can bloom in late winter or early spring. Ours started actually blooming in, I believe, early March it was. And these are good for zones 2 to 9. And they get about 4 to 6 inches tall. And you want to plant them about 1 to 2 inches deep and about 2 to 3 inches apart. Now these look really neat in like mass plantings. And they do multiply very quickly. Now, I'm not sure which variety this is. This was actually given to me a while ago, and they have greatly multiplied since then. But I love the color. I love the shape of the flowers. And let me move one here so you can see the inside of it. This is what the inside of one of them looks like. Really pretty. They have like a light spring or lime green in them, and they're a welcome sight for spring coming. Now these can tolerate a wide range of different types of soil, and now they do prefer well-drained soil. So you want to make sure that wherever you plant them, it is well drained, but like they can grow in clay and they can grow in all different types of soil. Just make sure that it's well draining. Now, sometimes these will bloom like in late winter, and these did come up in March, and they started blooming for us in March, and they were just a very welcome sight. And it's a reminder that spring is coming. And these did tolerate snow, and they did tolerate the cold very well. And they have a pretty good range for where they can grow at. I mean, zones 2 to 9, that's pretty good. I'm growing mine in Pennsylvania in zone 5B. So I'll show you another patch here real quick. Hold on a moment. And here's another patch here. This one's harder to see. We put one of the coconut liner baskets over them so that the rabbits and the deer wouldn't eat them off. You can see the flowers there. Right back. Now, you might be able to find these in like your local garden center or like the big box stores or the hardware stores in fall time to buy the bulbs for them. Like I said, these were given to me, so I'm not sure on the variety, but I can say that they do greatly multiply. And it's just, they're so pretty, and I like how they just kind of move when the wind blows. You can use these in like naturalizing, like if you want to put these along like a wooded area or something like that, that would look pretty. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button on times I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I will have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.